Hi, today I'm making peppered steak. I love this recipe because if you prepare it right, the meat is soft and tender. The marinade is the key. So we're going to begin with, I use a chuck steak, and I'm going to slice that into small bite-sized pieces. And I'm going to create my marinade. So I'm beginning with a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. We're also using a teaspoon of vinegar, and I'm also using a teaspoon of pepper, and I'm going to stir those ingredients all together. Now, I use that for my marinade. Now, with this marinade, if you wanted more salt content or that saltiness in the meat, you could add soy sauce instead of the Worcestershire sauce. The Worcestershire sauce allows me to still season the meat and control the flavor. I also use about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to sprinkle the meat with that cornstarch. Now, here's the thing: you do need to buy a quality piece of beef with marbling. The more marbling, obviously, there's going to be a little bit more flavor, but it's also going to soften and be more tender. The cornstarch aids that. So I add the cornstarch. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So this is all going into a plastic bag. And we're going to just, mix that all together. You should refrigerate this for about 30 to 45 minutes and just let the flavors kind of meld. Once you're ready to prepare the peppered steak, you're going to heat a skillet with a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, and then we're going to go ahead and saute the meat. While the meat is browning, I'm going to just prepare my jasmine rice using the directions on the bag and let that begin cooking. I'm then cutting my whole onion, and I'm chopping it into quarters, as well as 2 cups of bell peppers. I'm quartering them as well. And once those 2 are ready to go, I'm actually going to saute those in a different pan because I want to just kind of preserve that flavor. When the vegetables are slightly soft, I'm going to go ahead and transfer them back into the pan with the steak. It also preserves the color to cook them separately. That's why I do it as well. And then I'm going to combine this recipe. Next, I'm going to make a little sauce, so that you can spoon that over your rice. And so I'm going to start with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then I'm going to also use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I will add just 4 teaspoons of water, and I'm going to mix the roux with the water and the cornstarch, and then I'm going to add that back to the soy sauce, and then just mix it. And I'm going to transfer or pour that over the peppered steak, cover it for about 5 minutes, and let it soften and mix. And then I'm going to serve it. I'm serving it over that jasmine rice I prepared, and it's delicious. So that is my peppered steak. Now, if you wanted to make this a 30-minute meal, I would marinate the meat the day before I needed it, and then it'll be a much faster recipe. Enjoy.